Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to add a debit card to your Chime account. This process is straightforward and will allow you to transfer money instantly. Step 1. To start, open your Chime app and navigate to the Move Money section. This is where you can add funds to your account using a debit card. Step 2. In the Move Money section, select Add Money and choose the option to link a debit card. You will need to enter your debit card number, expiration date, and CVV. Make sure to double check your details for accuracy. Step 3. Once you have entered your debit card information, confirm the transaction. You might see a small test deposit to verify the card, which will be returned shortly. And that is it. Your debit card is now linked to your Chime account, allowing you to make sure instant transfers. If you have any questions or need any further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips. And I'll see you always in the next one.